So I'm gonna show you how to make easy videos right here. The easiest way to start is to copy something, and that's just for demonstration purposes. Of course, you have to find your footage for these. These are basic commentary videos, like
this little boy bet his friends that he would wear the best costume at the
Yeah, so this is pretty easy to make. They usually tag the original creator in the video description. You just have to search up the original creator. You see, this is the video. 3, 2, 1, let's go! We got the original video. Then you just go to downloader. You paste it here. You download. We copy the script they used, or you can just type what
this little boy
instead of short and go to show transcript, toggle timestamps, copy the script they used, and then go into 11 labs and you just paste it in 11 labs. You make sure you delete all the enters, breaks, I don't know what to call them. You have to like rewrite the script a bit, saying this little boy, you say this little guy, and then you see you just rewrote the script, so it's not like the actual same video.
This little guy bet his friends that he would wear the best costume at the Halloween party they were attending, and surprisingly he kept his word, and the result was absolutely mind-blowing.
Yep, so you can then just download it. So here we got the voiceover and the original footage. In CapCut, you just cut the first one, so it starts exactly where the voice starts. You increase it, so it's like, you see, you have to see these orange like things. So you have to increase it mostly like 10, 12 dBs.
This little guy bet his friends that he would wear the best costume at the Halloween party they were attending.
And you can cut these so it's faster.
Wear the best costume at the Halloween party they were attending, and surprisingly
you see, it's way faster if I leave it like this.
Surprisingly, he kept his word.
It's good for attention.
The result was absolutely mind-blowing.
Okay, so after a little while, this is how our video looks.
This little guy bet his friends that he would wear the best costume at the Halloween party they were attending, and surprisingly, he kept his word, and the result was absolutely mind-blowing.
You can cut this part.
This little guy...
Yeah, so, wait, we have to put another part here. Like this. You're gonna see it's better. Yeah, okay. And now all is left is the voiceover. You just make a compound clip of the voiceover. Go to text, auto caption, generate. You wait until it's generating. You can choose anything that's good looking, you know, like it's easy to read. Something like this. And you go to animations, you choose some animation you like. I like to use word by word.
This little guy bet his friends... This little guy bet his friends that he would...
We have
absolutely mind-blowing.
We have the voiceover now, and from here on you can just use like sound effects or something, like a ding at the beginning.
This little guy bet...
You see? Or like...
This little guy...
Yeah, no, it's at the beginning, it's good. You can use a little bit of zoom in at the beginning. Like here.
This little guy bet his friends that this This little guy bet his friends that he would wear the best costume.
Right now.
He would wear the best costume at the Halloween party they were attending, and surprisingly, this little guy bet his friends that he would wear the best costume at the Halloween party they were attending, and surprisingly, he kept his word, and the result was absolutely mind-blowing.
Okay, so the final result is like this.
This little guy bet his friends that he would wear the best costume at the Halloween party they were attending, and surprisingly, he kept his word, and the result was absolutely mind-blowing.
That's it, you can just export it. This is how I've been getting a lot of views. Not that many views, but like it's a good income to have because you spend like maybe half an hour on a short. You can honestly have like 16 channels and post like one short on each, and you can like have millions of views like that because it's so easy, and you can just post these very easy to make shorts to your channel and it will pick up and it will be worth it because you spend so little time on it. And in the meantime you can learn a lot about YouTube. So subscribe and like this video and let me know in the comments what I can improve on, because this is my very first video explaining anything, and I know I have to work on my English and on my explanation skills. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.